As per UBS, the global wealth is expected to increase by 38% over the next 5 years to a whopping $629 trillion. But most of us will not see these many zeros in their bank accounts. So, where exactly does this wealth sit? And the answer is it sits with the global 3,381 billionaires. Out of the world population of 8 billion people across the world, only 3,381 people have access to this luxury. And not just this, 76% of the global wealth is controlled by the top 10% of the people in the world. These numbers blow my mind away when I start counting the zeros. So today, I want to share with you the industries that have reaped the most billionaires in the past and the most anticipated industries that will reap more billionaires in 2024. Every human being needs access to good medical facilities, so that's why it becomes the most basic necessity after food. And it is no surprise that 201 billionaires today have gained their fortune owing to this industry, which makes a list of 8% of the total billionaires in the world today. Neuralink, the brainchild of Elon Musk, is one of the contributors that has contributed $100 billion to his wealth. Cyrus Poonawalla, the founder of Serum Institute of India, has amassed $22.6 billion to his wealth owing to this medical facilities. But what got you here will not get you any further. Healthcare industry will reap more billionaires in 2024 to any corporate or any individual bringing groundbreaking and most importantly AI-enabled solutions to the masses, to this growing world population, with most population not even having access to the basic medical facilities. Naval Ravikant said, "You will get rich by giving society what it wants, but does not yet know how to get." Please consider subscribing to our channel if you like our content because this really helps YouTube find us better. Next industry, technology and services. Now, technology is at the heart of everything that is happening around us in the world today. With the exponential growth we have seen in this sector in the past just 1 year alone, owing to ChatGPT and its applications, this industry is expected to reap more billionaires than ever in 2024. Collectively, we have 313 billionaires today who owe their fortune to tech and services in one way or the other, which makes 12% of the total billionaires of the world today. With Jeff Bezos topping the list with $180 billion to his name, Amazon was one of the first company using tech to facilitate its customers. Thereby, it became the world's largest company. And today, has the market saturated? Certainly not. The very industry that has the potential to destroy the humanity will be reaping more billionaires than ever in near future. And we will certainly be seeing more Apples and more Microsofts in coming days. Being a chartered accountant and having more than 11 years of finance experience in 4 of the best MNCs of this world, I have no doubt in saying that investment finance and banking will produce more billionaires in future than many can predict. There are 372 billionaires populating 14% of the total list. Equity investors and wealth managers charge hefty percentages to manage the wealthy's money, making them both rich. And venture capitalists are always on a lookout for the next emerging unicorns. Warren Buffett, one of the most celebrated investors today, has amassed $106 billion of his wealth by investing smartly. And with crypto ETFs on the rise and more AI-enabled solutions on their way, there is no doubt that investing will reap more billionaires in future than most other industries. Food and beverages is the next industry, giving many people billions of dollars. This industry accounts for 212 billionaires, which make 8% of the total list. Now, food and beverages can be a very risky business, and you see many restaurants opening and closing in a few days' time. But the investors know how to make the most of it. They know it's a risky business, so the right way to go about it is to own the whole supply chain. Look at how Ray Kroc built his food empire, which we know as McDonald's today. And recently, Zhong Shamshan became a billionaire using his food company known as Nongfu Springs. The world population has crossed 8 billion people, and most of these people do not have access to fresh food. So imagine using AI and agriculture technologies to increase the crop yields and maybe using drone technologies to supplying that food to far-flung areas. No wonder why all the rich people are trying to buy large-scale agricultural lands globally. So we can expect this industry to grow more billionaires in 2024. Fifth industry on my list is energy sector. With billionaires ranging from oil and gas to the recent renewable energy sector, this list amasses 100 billionaires, which populates 4% of our list today. Starting with the Rockefeller empire, who built his empire using the oil and gas, all the way down to the renewable sector, where Elon Musk recently added a solar division to his infamous company Tesla. The renewable sectors will be the energy sectors, repaying the next generation of billionaires. Be it wind power lighting most of the European homes or the roads that charge your cars as you drive, this innovative sector will reap a lot of billionaires in coming days. Sixth industry on my list is media, which in my opinion has been drifting a lot in the last 10 years. Earlier in the days, there used to be only a few big players, namely CNN, BBC, and Michael Bloomberg owning $95 billion owing to this industry. But then came social media, and people who had limited access to the mainstream media got channels and social media platforms like YouTube and Twitch to show off their talent. Which means that there was a void in the society that YouTube filled and helped Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the owners of Google and YouTube as well, multiply their wealth. This industry has 91 billionaires, which makes 3% of our list today. But with the corporates more inclined today towards social media to market their products, and the social media influencers being the new celebrities and models, just imagine all the aspiring billionaires have an opportunity in this field. Okay, next stop. Many people hate cryptocurrency, but many people call it the greatest creation of all times. Look, love it or hate it, but cryptocurrency and blockchain technology has given rise to some of the best technology solutions in the world today. And the founders of such technology, billions of dollars. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, has seen his wealth grow exponentially owing to the wonderful technology that he has created. And not just this, technologies like XRP, Chainlink, and Solana are now taking off since the people are now discovering their real wealth. And their developer activity is now increasing day by day. While rest of the industries took their time to get established and then the founders made money, but cryptocurrency has given its founders money and billions of dollars overnight. And the last industry that we can make a separate video on is real estate. Every person who has a bit of savings like to invest in real estate, and let alone every person needs a place to live. Therefore, increasing its scope and increasing the scope of billionaires to increase their wealth. Real estate industry has 193 billionaires, making 7% of the list today. Be it flipping properties or purchasing land and then adding value to that space, or simply renting out for single family homes, this industry is the most commonly known industries which have reaped billions of dollars for the people. Donald Bren has reaped $17.4 billion from his real estate company Irvine Co. in the United States. And more billionaires keep on emerging as the population keeps on increasing in the world. And that concludes our video today. If you liked our content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel, because it really helps us grow faster and bring you more content like this in future. Till our next video, have a safe day everyone.